Alright guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna check it out. Right. Do I have enough? Yep, I have enough space. But the thing is, guys, I kind of broke the system because look how much codes, look how much codes I use. At the top, right. At the top. At the top, yeah. Like, I use too many codes. I literally use too many. But this is kind of hard. Because I really want to get the Festive Bee and the Mythic Bee. That would take me a lot of time. But if I have the Mythic Bee egg, I will actually just keep it. So then I'll get a new slot. And yeah. Pretty much, I just got a lot. A lot and a lot and a lot. This really took me a while. Well guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I haven't really made videos for a long time for some reason. I don't know why. Also read the description in order to know what channel for this age it is. But this channel is for kids. Yep. I just wanted to say this channel is for kids. Yep. And so we're just gonna see me farm some money. But guys, the thing is, don't spend your time on doing this honeybees honey hunt. Don't spend your time on it. So clearly, if you're like, you have like about 30 bees, right? You say, and you just use it. You just get honeybees honey hunt. Don't do it. It only gives you about like one boost for like about 30 minutes, and the boost only it only multiplies by 2. You're like, it like only like when you like sell your honey. When you make it. Yeah. And you only get about like only 12,000 honey and use the experience. But yeah, that's why you shouldn't do it. I just do this because I want to. Pretty much my game crashed because that's why I didn't record. My game literally crashed. Never get too many codes. But I'm gonna show you all the codes. So I'm gonna say them out loud. Not really that fast, right? Reboot Cheer, Festive Frost, Jolly Jelly, Bees Mass Begins, BEESMAS BEGINS, Teespring, 4 million 4 mil members. Mil sounds for Tornado. Have I used this code? Wait, let me see if I have used this code. I'm gonna just write this one because I don't know how to pronounce it. Have I already used it? Oh, I already did. Right. Bees Boss 123. Wait, how do I use? Oh, wait. This is Bees Boss Discord 100,000K. 100K. 500 million mil. 500 mil. Marshmallow. Club converters. Wait. Club converters. I'm just looking this up. Yeah, I looked up too many codes. The next code is Sure. It's a Roblox ad. No! Oh man, I can't move it down! Move it down, right. Gumdrops for Science. Secret profile code. Secret profile code. Clubbing. Wink. 3A217. Ballpoint Master. Buzz. Cog. I don't know how to pronounce this one. So we're just gonna write it down. Konuser? 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 This is the code. Alright. Crawlers, nectar, roof, wax. These are the all codes that you can use. But these other codes are just expired. Yep, all these other codes are just expired, like Friday and Wax too. Or like Arizona for some reason. Why is even Arizona on that list? Alright, but we're not gonna worry about that. What I really want to get is like something. I want to get the festive. I also want to get the mythic egg or the mythic bee. I really want spicy bee. Now the thing is, you might think, where's the mythic present? There's actually a mythic present. It's right here, behind the stump. So you gotta do this parkour first. Oh, bye-bye bonuses. No, bye-bye. My bonuses are gone now. I just use these just to help you guys. Yay! Lucas, thanks. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Ah! Oh my gosh. I can't get it, guys. Ah, no, I'm dead. But you understand, when you do this parkour, there's also some rewards. And I died. Meh, I died. These are all my bees. Oh yeah, also for beginners, there's some things under the tree. If you go under here. Again? Yay. I pretty much need blueberries. Yeah, see, there's like the moon charms. Hey, no, stop, please. I think we're not here for that. So there's the dice, there's the moon charm, there's the gumdrops. Then if you go up one level, hey, oh my gosh, I don't really like this. Great, no, just get the chat away, please. Oh, I can't really rotate. Right, on this wall there's like nothing. But if you go on this wall, there might be a ticket, I think. If you go on top of the stump, then, on top of the log, then you can actually get another one. Oh my gosh, this is so confusing. But if you're a beginner, you obviously can't get to the top, so recommend you to get these at the bottom first. Also, start off with the black bears ornament or whatever they're called. Yeah, with black bears. I already did mother bears, black bears, brown bears, panda bears, size bears, polar bears, and the rest are just here. I still don't know what's the one at the top. I feel like the one on the top is definitely like something like secret. What can it be? It can't be stick bug because look. I don't really have that much time. Oh, wait a minute. There's not even 3 days. You have like a full month. That's pretty cool. Yeah, you have like a full month. That's pretty good. But we're not here for that. I'm just gonna teach for like beginners. Yep. I mean, like for beginners, I'm gonna also show you some things for beginners there. Also for some bros. So look, for beginners, I'm gonna show you some places where you can get star jellies. Well, I mean, royal jellies. Yep. So here's one royal jelly. Then there's like this maze where you can get some prizes. If you go the right way. I'm not gonna show like the other zones because I don't think beginners can go in them. It's because they're gonna die. But there's also one on top of that mushroom. You just gotta parkour there. Whoa! What is this? Is this like radiation or something? I don't know. I actually have never seen green stuff. Is this like radiation or something? Because I don't want to get radiation. Why is there like radiation here? Right. You might also tell me in the comments what even is that. We're gonna move on to this jelly where I should told about. Oh yeah, for this please don't tell me. Please don't tell me. Right, please. Phew. But the thing is about. Oh my god, it's so laggy! Guys, I'm sorry, but it's so laggy on the so laggy on the tablet. But you pretty much need the red cannon or the. You really need the red cannon to get that one. I think I'm glitched out. No, I'm glitched. Ah! I don't know what's glitching me all the time. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's also like a gun drop for a beginner. Gun drop. But you gotta get past these though. Oh yeah, also for beginners, don't go into this wall until you have like about 27 bees. It's because this is the king beetle. You can actually get a lot of good stuff out of it. And here you can pretty much get another star jelly, if I'm right. Oh wait a minute! It's right. You have to be in the other zone. Yeah, you actually have to be in the other zone. Clearly that's not for beginners. But I guess that's all I have to offer for now. Oh no, please don't tell me. I sure hate being glitched. But guys, I think that's all for today. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy! Guys, please don't be mad at me. Pretty much I'm just trying to help like beginners because I'm a good person. Oh yeah, soon when you get into the game you might think, how do I get the translator? Well, in order to get the translator, you must talk to the science bear, which is clearly which is clearly in that direction. Where my camera is at right now. Where I'm pointing. I mean where I'm looking right now. At that yellow cannon. And then he might actually give you like the translator, and then you might give it like to Stickbug, and you're pretty much gonna get an you're gonna get a translator. Yep. I mean, oh my gosh, you're gonna get Ermin. Oh my gosh. But guys, bye. That's all for today. Bye.